Good morning, everybody. My name is Dhaval Kumar Srivastav. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to have a part of the binary number system of a computer. What is binary number system? Binary is the word B-I-N-A-R-Y, binary. It denotes 0 and 1. A computer never calculates on the record of whatever we are saving it. The computer works on the 0 and 1s. 0 and 1s means like in a computer, the hard disk section, each and every point having different unique name or ID, something like that. Like this place having a just like 1,2, this place like 3,4. So every point in hard disk in computer hard disk section where the data has been stored having unique ID, unique place. So whatever we store like songs, audio, video, Excel file, each and every part having different locations. It's vast. For that only it took the processing time, 4 GB RAM, hard disk, SSD card, because the hard disk section is very large section. To save any data in a HD means it will take a very huge section in the computer, the hard disk section. For that we need high speed equipments also, but what is the basic scenario that I am going to tell you. Like if you have to write 8, in computer it will work on 0 and 1 only, and the theme of binary number system is 2 to the power. Anything 2 to the power is for the binary number system. Like 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2, 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the power 5 same 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So it will go to 4, 8, 16, 32, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and this is 1. Any number with a power of 0, the answer will be number. If it is 100, power of 0, the answer will be 1 only. 99, power 0, it will be 1 only. Okay. Now, just we have to take out the number 8 in binary. So, first thing, where we use binary? In any competitive class, high school, inter, engineering, government jobs, banks, they ask you this binary number system. This is the basic section. We all know that 2 to the power 3 is 8 because 2 into 2 into 2 means it is 8. Okay. So 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. But how to write this in binary number system, that is the question. For that section we need to know that how we write these things in binary. Now we all know that 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. Binary means 0 and 1. So it is 2, 0 and 1. Two numbers are there, binary number system. We have to write like if it is 0, 2 to the power 0. Again 0, 2 to the power 1. One more, 2 to the power 2. One more, 2 to the power 3. One more, 2 to the power 4. This is the scene of a computer that whenever you have to write anything in binary number system, you have to write like this only. 0 is not there, but the below series it will be something like that, to the power 0. Like if it is number 8, we all know 8 means 2 to the power 3. So the option will answer will be 2 to the power 4 means 0. So no need to write this 0. 2 to the power 3 means 1. 2 to the power 2 means 0, 2 to the power 1 means 0, 2 to the power 0 means 0, because we have to write only 8. So it will be 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3. The binary numbers will be like this. Now if it is 9, simple, 2 to the power 3, 8 and 2 to the power 0, because any number with power 0, the answer is 1. But after that we have to multiply also with the number with 0, with the topmost number which is written there. So then it is the 2 to the power 3, 1, 2 to the power 2 means 4 into 0, it will be 0, 2 to the power 1 into 0, it will be 0, but we have to write 9. So this will go to something like this, 2 to the power 0, 2 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 1 into 2 into 2 into 2, so it will be 8, and 0 into 2 into 2, it will be 0, 0 into 2 is equals to 0, and 1 into 2 to the power 0, it will be 1. 1 into 1 means 1. So answer is 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer will be 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 0. This is the binary of 9. Again we are going for 17. I go to 16. 16 is easier. We are making it for 17. 17, 2 to the power 4, because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, simple. So it will be 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. And here it will be 17, means 16 plus 1, 17. So 2 to the power 0 into 1, because we have to write 1, not 2. This will be 0, 0, 0, 2 to the power 4, 16. We all know that. So it will be 1. Sorry, it will be 1. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 plus 1, 16. Then these all will be 0, 0, 0, and again 1. So it will be 1. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the answer. 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the binary of 17. If it is 18, no issue again. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Why here 1 instead of 0? Because 2 to the power 0, it will be 1. 1 into 0, so 0. 1, 2 to the power 1 means 1 into 2, it will be 2. This one 0, this one 0, again 2 to the power whatever it may be, but 0, and this is 2 to the power 1. So this will go to 2 to the power 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the power 4, it will be 16. 16, 0, 0, and this 2, 17, 18. So the answer will be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Binary of 18. These are the basic methods used for binary. And there are octal and hexadecimal also, that I will go for the next class. Pause it.